As the measurement is a prime activities which is involved in industry, whatever the products are manufactured should be verified whether it meets our dimensional requirement. In design process, before the manufacturing starts, we have to show the drawings of such components which we have to manufacture along with its dimensional specifications, including its tolerances, as well as which machines we have to use should be clearly indicated in this design sheet. This design sheet is called as a process sheet, which are used at a shop floor activities in industry. So after supplying of the process sheet, including the drawings of a component along with the dimensional specifications, along with the manufacturing methods or machines which we have to use, is supplied to the shop floor. So after manufacturing, the measurements are taken and the results of measurements are usually compared to the specified requirements and the standards. Means after manufacturing such components at the shop floor on machines, we have to cross check its dimensions and verify whether it is manufactured as according to the drawings which is specified in drawing sheet or in a process sheet. So the inspection is broadly says that determining whether the measurement is in agreement with these specified standards, specified dimensional specifications. Then, if the manufactured component dimensions meets our design requirement, then it will help us to accept or reject the products. And what is the need of inspection? As to manufacture the quality product at a minimum cost is a prime motto of any manufacturing industries. So to meet the customer satisfaction, manufactured component should be inspected to ensure the highest quality at a minimum cost. Regular inspection of a manufactured component will help us to produce a good quality product. So do it right the first time, because these fundamentals helps to reduce the errors. If reduction of errors is achieved, then it will help to reduce the cost of production, as well as it enhances to elevate quality of a product. Need of inspection will also focus on tolerances. Tolerances means dimensional flexibility within which we have to manufacture the given product. So dimensional flexibility is required to ensure the manufacturing of product at an optimum cost. This helps us to reduce the production cost. This is the interchangeability. If we consider the concept of a mass production to meet the global requirement, this interchangeability concept is launched. Means the one component is manufactured in one company and it's related another component is manufactured in another company. This company may should be within country or it should be across the globe. So the component which are manufactured at different places should be come together for assembly. And if we consider this interchangeability, which will help us to mass production and as well as to minimize the production cost. Interchangeability and the tolerances are related terms which we have to study in details in coming chapters. So this is a mass production. If we see the example of car manufacturing industries in which manufacturing of a car is at a mass production level. The next is whether to check the product is as per the specifications. In previous slide we have discussed about the process sheet where the components drawing along with the dimensional specification as well as the manufacturing methods are clearly specified. Then inspection plays role to cross check whether the product is as per the specification or not. Terms which are related with measurement. This is a basic measuring instruments which you may have used in your previous academic stage. This is called as a micrometer. While using the such measuring instruments, we should have to study the terms which are related with measurements. First is accuracy, second is precision, third is sensitivity, fourth is readability, calibration, traceability and reproducibility. This is the most broadly term which is used in industry, that is precision and accuracy. In industry, it is always said that the measuring instruments should be the precise one and it should be the accurate one. So in detail, we will study what is the meaning of precision and what is the meaning of accuracy. The performance of a measuring instrument is represented by the terms precision and accuracy. So to manufacture the quality products, we are frequently come across the inspection. For the inspection, we are using the different measuring instruments. So to have a reliable results, the measuring instruments should be the precise and accurate one. A good instrument must be precise and accurate. Here we have considered the two examples of measuring instruments. This is a simple scale which are used for measurements, as well as this is also another measuring instruments which are used for the measurements. So by using these measuring instruments, of which the least count is 1 millimeter, so we cannot measure the dimensions which is less than 1 millimeter. The least count of such measuring instruments is 0.01 millimeter, means the 100th part of 1 millimeter. So as per the accuracy and the precision requirement, we have to choose which instrument gives us a reliable and accurate results.